Okay, so today I'm heading out to Naperville, Illinois, gonna take a look at a brand new custom home by Autumn Homes. I'm gonna see Trevor from John Greene Realty. He's the new construction expert in the area, and he's gonna give us a tour. Okay, we're here, and there is the home. So let's go find Trevor, and we'll take a look. There he is. Hey Trevor, how's it going?
Good, how are you, John?
Very good. Okay, so tell me about the location here.
So we are sitting in the West Highlands neighborhood. You're just a mile to the downtown area. You've got obviously all the best restaurants, the river walk, festivals, anything that you can think of that's down there that Naperville can offer is within striking distance here. West Highlands itself is known, it was an original development in the 50s. East and West Highlands was developed at that time. You've got a ton of mature trees throughout. You have Elmwood Elementary School, which sits right here in the neighborhood. If you have young kids, it's a walk-to school. You also have Lincoln Junior High and then Naperville Central as the high school. The home itself sits on a nice, quiet cul-de-sac. The lot doubles from front to back, creating a very expansive backyard, perfect for entertaining family and friends. All right, let's go inside and meet the builder.
All right.
This is our classic Hemingway plan. We made some modifications to the exterior and interior. This home was built to 3755 square foot. It has 4 bedrooms and 4 baths. It's done in the Craftsman coastal style. It has hickory hand scraped floor, white shaker cabinets, quartz countertops throughout. We're really focused on the kitchen and bathrooms in this home. Wait till you see the master suite. We did some special things to the tub surround featuring a designer custom window.
We've been in business for about 39 years. We have about 400 homes in Naperville. So we've got definitely an expansive variety of homes throughout. This one is definitely a knockout. I hope you guys come and see us the second, third weekend of September. I know Trevor's going to take you around, so enjoy the house.
This foyer is gorgeous. Let's start with the dining room. Tell me what we're looking at here.
Dining space with a ton of detail, a nice modern wainscot on the walls. One thing that you're going to notice is the elevated level of finish in the home. The millwork is incredible, and you're going to see that throughout.
This great room is absolutely phenomenal. Can you tell us a couple things about it?
So you've got a beautiful coffered ceiling, full masonry fireplace, accented by 10-foot ceilings.
And what were these wood floors again?
The floors are a 6-inch hand-scraped hickory.
And just looking out this picture window, you got a huge backyard here. You were right. Look at that.
From the front to the back, you go from a 60 width to 100, and you'll see that as it expands in the rear.
That is a beautiful kitchen. And the first thing I'm drawn to are those beams.
Absolutely, and the beams tie in perfectly in terms of the rustic side of it. They also use the beams to match the mantle on the fireplace as well as the reclaimed barn door.
That is one huge island.
It is. It's roughly 5 by 8 feet.
Really? Okay. And so what about the tops on it? What kind of tops are these?
You get a premium quartz countertop there.
Beautiful. Great design. Works really well with all the white cabinetry.
To add to the level of finish, and something that really complements the cabinetry is the subway backsplash. You also have an inlay of Carrara marble that sits behind the range. So you've got a premium Thermador appliance package. The range itself is a double oven, 6-burner with the griddle, and then you also have a monster refrigerator that is a Thermador as well.
And back here we have the butler's pantry, right?
Yes, the butler's pantry, they accented with shiplap.
Yeah, it's really attractive. And they get the open shelving here rather than cabinetry on it.
Yes.
And then your walk-in pantry.
And this barn door is awesome. It adds an element of the rustic finish. It matches the beams in the kitchen and also the mantle on the fireplace.
That's absolutely beautiful. Now, this mudroom is larger than most. You got the hook and bench in here, custom built.
Absolutely. So you got all built-in lockers, under storage as well for shoes, and then you also have a media station that's nested in the corner here, and it's kind of in and out of the way of the rest of the home.
And just down the hall here, it looks like you have a full bath. And this looks to be a home office.
And it's actually somewhat of a flex space. I think you can use it as an office, but you also, since you have the full bath for guests and entertaining, you can actually use this as a bedroom as well, depending upon your lifestyle.
So upstairs you have 3 bedrooms plus the master. And this bedroom is connected to the other through a Jack and Jill bath. And this bedroom has its own private ensuite. And here's a huge second floor laundry. Super convenient.
So probably one of my most favorite parts of the home, the master bath. You've got a vaulted ceiling in here, along with all Carrera tile, his and hers vanities with custom cabinetry and quartz tops there, along with a freestanding tub that is accented by this awesome shiplap wall.
Yeah, that's beautiful. I actually love that. That's a nice centerpiece. And what about this shower here?
The shower is phenomenal. You got a frameless glass, the Carrera marble continues, along with a wonderful niche and a very spacious bench so you can sit down and relax while you take a shower.
Alrighty, so that's it for today's tour. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about this home, I'll put a link below so you can reach out to Trevor at John Greene Realty. Also, a big thanks to Autumn Homes for allowing us to come in and do the video. I really appreciate that. I'll put a link to them as well. And that's all I have for you today, so I'll see you next tour.